Brother and sister, I advise you hear the beautiful story of Prophet Idris. Prophet Idris was the first person who sewed clothing and used a pen to write, and also studied astronomy and mathematics. Idris was the first person to sew clothes, as before that people used to cover themselves with skins of animals. However, Idris used cotton and cloth to sew clothes. He was also the first person to use a pen to write things. Idris, just like all other prophets of God, was a patient servant of God. He went through a great deal of hardship in guiding his people. That is why the Quran mentions him among the patient and the righteous. Idris was a sincere servant of Allah. Hence Allah chose him as a prophet and messenger, and elected him as the ruler over the children of Adam. What began after death of Sheeth is the people of Qabil lost guidance. Sin and corruption began increasing rapidly and spreading. Idris could not bear to watch his own people falling prey to the influence of Shaitan. So Allah instructed Prophet Idris to call for jihad against the corrupt followers of Qabil. Idris was the first prophet and messenger in the history of Islam to perform jihad against corruption. And as commanded by Allah, Idris gathered an army of men and battled in the name of Allah against the transgressors and emerged victorious. One day, Prophet Idris was informed by Allah that he would receive the rewards of all the good deeds performed by man each day till his last breath. Prophet Idris was overjoyed with the news and thanked Allah immensely for all his blessings. But Idris was quite old and was not quite ready to depart earth, as he enjoyed spreading good. So, he decided to speak to the angel of death and plead him to delay his death. He was already in contact with an angel, and he asked this angel if he can meet with the angel of death so he can ask the angel of death to delay his death. The angel said, "We'll see," before continuing. The angel agreed to Idris's plea and decided to meet with the angel of death together with Idris. The angel flew to the fourth heaven with Prophet Idris on his wings and met with the angel of death. Idris's dear companion said to the angel of death, "Prophet Idris wants to know if you could prolong his life." The angel of death was stunned. He replied, "And where is Idris?" "He is upon my back," answered the angel. The angel of death replied, "How wonderful!" The angel asked, "What's wonderful?" The angel of death replies, "I was sent and told to cease Idris's soul in the fourth heaven. I kept thinking how I could cease it in the fourth heaven when he was on earth. Glory be to God, he made it happen." And as the Lord instructed the angel of death, the soul of Idris was taken in the fourth heaven. Angel of death arrived with one purpose and Prophet Idris with another, and Allah allows only what he wills to occur. Following the death of Prophet Idris, corruption began to increase rapidly again. Several generations later, with no prophetic guidance, Shaitan finally managed to influence the children of Adam to commit their first act of shirk. Indeed, he was a man of truth and a prophet, and we raised him to a high station. This was the story of the beloved Prophet Idris, peace be upon you.